Hi everyone. I decided to do my video technology project on the Dynavox. The Dynavox is not something that I've used personally in my class as an ECSE teacher, but I have heard a lot about it, and I thought this might be a really good opportunity to learn more about it and how to use it in a classroom setting, and then hopefully provide some good high-level information to you all that might be on a device that might be useful in your own classroom. So what is a Dynavox? The Dynavox is, it's actually a name brand for a kind of speech generating device. It assists individuals who are unable to communicate reliably with their own voices. This could be due to cognitive, language, or other physical impairments. There is a large price range for these high-tech devices, and there are many used products that can be purchased online. On the high end, a Dynavox can cost over $20,000. A used Dynavox can be purchased for just a few thousand, so it really just depends what the individual's needs are. The device is not structured like language is structured. It's all about the motor pattern and the icons. So here's an image of what one version of the Dynavox icons looks like. And there are also low-tech versions for when a device isn't available. A low-tech version might look like this, where an individual points to the images on a PDF. Obviously, the cost to that version would simply be the cost of paper and ink. So, when could we use this? This could be used for a student who has a communication disorder. The student would use the device to state their basic needs or emotions. The individual would physically select the icons to form words or sentences. This could also be used for individuals who have physical disabilities as well, where they are unable to actually select the icons physically. And with this version, and this version kind of blew my mind, it wasn't something I was even aware was out there, but there's actually eye tracking technology so that an individual doesn't need to physically select the icons. It's super crazy stuff. So what I did learn is that the Dynavox is a pretty complex system, and pretty complex. It's a very complex system, and it's something that needs to be very intentionally taught. And because I don't have an actual device to play around with, I've watched some YouTube videos on how to navigate and use the device so that I can show you how you would, just kind of high level, how you would use the device. So I'm going to share just a short clip with you all from YouTube.
With CORE first, CORE is at the forefront. We wanted to make sure that you're able to really learn sentence building, learn what each letter means and what each word means, and be able to learn the fundamental values of language. And that's really what CORE is all about. This here, you are able to sentence build, so we can say I want. I want. We can say I want, and then we can also go to a list here and pick something that we want right here. All of these are ways that we learn how to build sentences. From there, we have our quick fires, our quick phrases, and our topics. These are to help with participation and making sure that we're keeping people able to be social in different environments. So we have our yes button, our no button, our sure button, all things to really tell people that you're listening, to give active participation, and to quickly be social with people around you. Our quick phrases are similar. really want to keep people social as well here. We have words like awesome. So many kids want to say that things are awesome and cool. And this is a way that they can do it with one button. After they've learned the word, they can use this phrase. So we can hide different buttons when we want them.
So that just gives you just kind of a little snippet. And then I also want to show you how, kind of just an example of this being used in the real world. This is a little boy who is using the device to meet his needs during mealtime.
Hi, Liam.
Hello, Mikey.
Liam, it's almost time for lunch. What would you like for lunch today?
I want rice.
You want some rice?
Yeah.
And what else do you want with your rice?
Steak.
Oh, you want steak and rice? And do you want any vegetables?
Chicken.
No, you can't have chicken.
Vegetables.
Yeah? Do you like vegetables? Yes or no?
No.
No! But you're going to eat them anyway, right?
No.
No!
What?
Would you rather have ice cream instead?
Yes.
Yes. All right, well, maybe if you eat some vegetables, you can have some ice cream, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Say bye, Liam.
Bye, Mikey.
Hi, Liam.
Hello, Mikey.
Liam, it's almost time for lunch. What would you like for lunch today?
I want.
All right. So most of us know, and I'm sure understand, how a lack of communication ability can translate to difficult behaviors in and out of the classroom. So this device just really has the ability to meet communication needs of students. I know that one of the goals of this assignment was to become an expert on a technology device, and I would say I'm by no means an expert. I've just kind of scratched the surface of what this is capable of and how to use it, but I was able to really learn a lot and dig a little deeper into something that I've been interested in for a while. So thanks for listening, and hope everybody has a great day.